Hi, I'm Carlos Rojas. I'm a Sagittarius, a single dog mom, and also a color specialist. I'm so excited to be here. We're in New York City, and I'm with the Matrix family. I began my hairstyling career a little later in life. It was either going to be hairstylist or elementary school teacher. So I chose hairstyling, and look where I'm at now. What led me to joining the Matrix team is that everybody telling me, you belong with Matrix. I guess my personality has always been very matrixy, so here I am and I feel like I'm home. My favorite thing about Matrix is all its inclusivity. I think that having everybody from all over different countries coming together and speaking the same language is such an incredible thing to witness. I'm so happy to be here. Follow my journey and all of the fun things happening at Matrix. Follow us on YouTube and our Instagram channel.